Dad.
That's fat. That's fat.
That's a nice fish. Hey, good morning everybody. Tyler Deck here. Hey, I am here with my dad and we are heading down to the Norma Cay this morning for the last day of the 2023 sea bass season. And we are super excited because we are going to try out some brand new Frugal Fisherman rigs. We are trying out the freaking crazy triple rig. So we're real excited about this. These will be available soon. We'll see how they work today. It's going to be a great day. Go ahead and use the promo code YouTube at thefrugalfisherman.com to get yourself some of these same rigs and support the channel. We really appreciate that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. And without talking too much more, we'll meet you guys out on the boat. So there were a few things you guys may have noticed there in that video. The first being that photo that we have taped up there. My dad happened to bring a photograph of his father, my grandfather, in, and I thought that was pretty cool of him to do. And the second thing you might notice here as I rig up my bait is this pretty nifty bait holder that I created simply out of a bowl that I bolted to a clamp that clamped right on the railing there. It worked out great. On top of that, we also had a bucket that we would lower down, get some water in so that our fish could bleed out into some water. Also, you wash your hands, and also, of course, you have to have a rag all the time that's tied to the railing. So if you guys are going out on a party boat, this is the setup that you have to have. What I did was I cut up some of the bait on the way out. As you'll see here, we were all set when we got out there. Now let's see how we did.
I did not hear a ding ding.
Oh, it happened. What? Oh, it happened.
I did not hear a ding.
We all did.
Some guy got hooked in the head already.
There we go.
There we go.
Well, that's different. That doesn't happen every trip.
Almost in the eye.
Ooh. That would have cut the trip short. So their drift is way under us, so flip it out a bit if you can. For being almost slack tide, yeah, it's...
Oh, wow.
Oh, that'll probably go. Right? That'll probably go.
Did you put it so you didn't even bother to put it?
That works, huh? So after the initial bite, things died down a little bit, so I went ahead and switched over to a bucktail, seeing as it was fluke season also, and was able to pull in this little short and one more, and then found out that I wasn't the only one with a birthday on the boat today. Adorable little fluke, isn't it? Yeah.
We didn't mention his father.
Here.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much. That's right. Oh, sweet. See? It's a popular day.
Hey, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday.
Yeah,
Happy birthday, man. Thanks. To you too. Awesome. Little fluke. Thank you. So after drifting over the rocks out there without much luck, the captain made a great move out to a wreck way far out, and things really started to heat up. Yeah, it's all right. We get excited every time, though.
That's the deal. You know, people want to catch fish.
Yeah.
No.
Yep, we're all right with these 11, 12 inchers.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Ooh, there you go. That's nice. Come on, big money. Still looks good. Yeah.
There you go.
Very free. Nice fish. There you go. That's a great fish. All right, put your finger in its mouth. I want a picture with that. That's nice fish. Nice. All right. All right, jump in there. I'll take care of it in a minute. That's a big fish, Dad.
That was fun to catch.
That's a big fish. As you guys will see in this next clip here, I had brought an awl with me and would stab these fish in between the eyes immediately, effectively rendering them brain dead. This made sure that they didn't release those stress chemicals as they suffocated, and also made sure they didn't flop around the bucket and make a big mess. I also then added some water to the bucket and would cut their gills to allow them to bleed out, and this made for some delicious sea bass. Leave a comment down below if you guys have ever tried this before, but it worked out great for us.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Stay on there, little buddy. He might go, yeah, he might go. Big baby.
I gotta know, baby.
Yeah, I gotta know, baby. His bladder.
Oh, that's when they blew.
Yeah. I think mine's a no, maybe 2. Oh, bam. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this feels pretty okay. It feels okay. There we go. That should work. Here. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, God. Yeah, there you go.
Hour later, just bones, nothing left.
No, you want yours gutted, right? Just gutted.
You got them? You ready to gut them? Just got it, right?
That's a definite.
He's close.
Right?
Oh yeah, he makes it. Yep, he does. You're exactly correct. All right.
Go, baby, that's a big one.
They're just.
Bang.
Might just be too tiny, guys. Yeah. Yeah. I think one goes and one doesn't.
Look at the eyes.
Maybe. Probably took the last minute.
Right, buddy.
Squeeze that.
Yeah, what do you think? Oh, it seems long. No, he goes.
No, that's scary.
13.
Ew.
Don't cut anything off of his tail.
Yeah. Oh no. It is time, I guess. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Feel like I want to be like, Mom, can I have 10 more minutes?
All right, so I was out here cleaning off my poles with Archer and realized that we didn't film an outro. So
that was a great day and a great birthday present. So thanks so much to my dad for taking me out there. Thanks to the captain and crew for the great job that they did. Definitely got us on some fish, especially the second half of the day. So super excited about that. And the rigs worked good, except for we're gonna mix them up a little bit. So each of these rigs is gonna come with either octopus style hooks or with bait holder style hooks. You realize that you're not sure which hook you're getting the bite on and how to set the hook. So go ahead and check out those on thefrugalfisherman.com here in a few days. And use the promo code YouTube, all capital letters, to get 10% off over there, and check out all of our other cool stuff that we got going on over there. I'm gonna take this guy inside and we'll probably go for a hike here in a little bit. He might have heard that. And you know what? We'll check you guys out on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.